Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to turn your illustrations into these cool little stickers using a Cricut machine. For this project, I basically took a photo of the illustration. I used my iPad Pro, set it on a stand, and I just took a photo of the illustration. Once I got a decent photo of the painting, I just exported it to Procreate. Once on Procreate, I created an 8.5 by 11 canvas with a DPI of 600, just because I usually do that for these stickers. Once I exported the photo, I basically erased everything around the subject. I try to clean up the image as much as possible, just to get rid of much of the background from the paper. I did leave some of the background by the hair, just because I still wanted it to look like it was an actual painting and not like a digital illustration. Once I cleaned up the image, I got rid of the background, and then I started a second layer. The second layer goes behind this first layer, and it's essentially just an outline of the sticker. This is done so the Cricut machine knows where to cut, and that's basically it. Once I'm done with this, I just duplicated the image 6 times. I usually put 6 stickers in a sheet this size. Usually about 2 inches tall. Once I export this from Procreate, I export it as a PNG file. PNG files have no backgrounds, so that helps the Cricut cut these images without having any issues. And then when you export the file, upload it into the Cricut app, and then make sure you click on print then cut, name your file, and then it's gonna take you to a resizing canvas. And then before you print, let's talk about paper. This is the paper that I use. It's from Online Labels, white gloss for inkjet. I'll link it below. It's a glossy paper. And then I use a Canon Pixma IX6820. And then I just print the paper from the same app. It allows you to print it from there. Once you get the paper out, just make sure you check out the stickers, make sure everything's good. And then I get my grip mat, I think that's what it's called. And then make sure you align it with the lines. Make sure it's in the top left corner. Then I use my Cricut Explore Air 2. I use a custom setting. For the materials, I usually use the preset sticker paper or cardstock. I'm using cardstock for this one. So make sure you have everything that. Once you got the paper in there, just click the little C for the cut, and it'll start cutting for you. So the cardstock is going to cut all the way through. If you use the sticker paper one, it'll just do a kiss cut, which is like if you're doing like a sticker sheet or something. So when you're peeling these off, make sure you're rolling the mat over the edge of the table so you don't curl the sticker. I'm using this little spatula that Cricut sells, so I just kind of like curl the mat and then just peel them off. And that's it. You got yourself some nice stickers. Thank you for watching, guys.